Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we will be discussing tips on how to increase breast milk production. If you are a nursing mother or expecting to be one soon, this video is for you. First, let's understand why breast milk production might be low. There could be several reasons for this, including stress, not breastfeeding often enough, or not stimulating the breast properly during breastfeeding. Now, let's look at some ways to increase breast milk production. Breastfeed often. The more you breastfeed, the more milk your body will produce. Try to breastfeed every 2 to 3 hours and make sure to empty the breast completely. This will send a signal to your body to produce more milk. Use breast pumping. If you are unable to breastfeed frequently, you can use a breast pump to stimulate milk production. Pumping after breastfeeding can help increase milk production, especially in the first few weeks after birth. Eat a balanced diet. A healthy diet is essential for milk production. Make sure you are getting enough calories, protein, and fluids. Foods that are known to increase milk production include oats, fenugreek, and garlic. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids is crucial for milk production. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water or other fluids every day. Get enough rest. As a new mom, it's important to prioritize your own self-care and get enough rest. Try to sleep when your baby sleeps and delegate tasks to others when possible. Avoid using pacifiers and bottles. Using pacifiers or bottles can interfere with breastfeeding and decrease milk production. If you need to use them, try to limit their use to ensure that your baby is still breastfeeding frequently. Consult a lactation consultant. If you are having difficulty breastfeeding or increasing milk production, consider consulting with a lactation consultant. They can provide valuable advice and support to help you achieve your breastfeeding goals. Consider taking lactation supplements. There are several supplements available that are specifically designed to increase milk production. However, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before taking any supplements. In conclusion, increasing breast milk production is possible with the right strategies. Remember to breastfeed often, use a breast pump, eat a balanced diet, stay hydrated, get enough rest, avoid pacifiers and bottles, and consider consulting with a lactation consultant or taking lactation supplements. We hope these tips were helpful and wish you all the best on your breastfeeding journey. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.